Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. In this video, I will show you that how you can build one AI agent using this Sim AI. In my last video, I have already told you that this Sim AI is an replacement for the N8N, and this Sim AI is completely open source. You can set up this Sim AI in locally also, but they have one web interface which is the sim.ai, and there they have different options to integrate this agent API condition and whatever the third-party apps like Gmail, X means the Twitter, all of that available, and you can just drag it and drop it here and connect them together and it will work perfectly. And here you see that, for example, I have built one Twitter post creator AI agent, and let me show you one magic. So here you see that this is our Twitter account and this is our last post, which is the new Google Notebook LLM update. Okay, now what I will do that I will just trigger this workflow. Here you see that I have built one workflow which will run each day on a specific time, and in this video I will show you that how you can also build this kind of AI agent from scratch, step by step process. So just stay with me, you will understand each and everything from scratch. I will show you. Okay, now if I just trigger it, just click on this run on the right hand side, and here you see that it got ran. And if I just go to this Twitter account, okay, and if I just refresh it, then you will see. And if I just go here again, here you see that this is my tweet text. Hey, what's up? I hope you are able to see it. Now you will say me that you are hard coding this tweet text. Yes, I have hard coded here, but I can do it dynamic. So if I just do it for dynamic way, what I can do that I can just press one angle bracket, and here you see that I am getting some suggestion here. Let me just close this console here, and if I just press this angle bracket, the left angle, and here you see that I have got some option like start, schedule, Twitter creator. So this is nothing but the block that you have added. Okay, so if I just click on this content from this Twitter creator, and here you see that I have got this variable. Now if I run this agent workflow, it will post the content related to this, related to my user prompt. Okay, what is my user prompt? Here you see that I have just written here, create a face and fresh engaging Twitter post about the Gen Glow, about this product. And what is my system prompt? I have also given one system prompt here, so let me show you that also. Here you see that this is my system prompt. You are a social media content creator specializing in AI apps and create an engaging Twitter post about this topic, and this is my user prompt. Now what will happen then, when I will click on this run button, it will automatically post my in my Twitter account about this topic, this Gen Glow. Okay, this is amazing, right? And here you see that I have used one model here, which is the Open Router free DeepSeek model, and this is completely free workflow with the free model that I am using. Okay, now let's build it from scratch. Now how to do it? So just go to the sim.ai. I have given the link in description box, and there click on the start now button, and it will just show you one blank workspace, and there you can build the entire workflow. Okay, now just click on this new workflow, and so this is our blank workspace, and now currently we have this start. Now we will add some extra components also, so that we can build our entire workflow from scratch, and that agent will post on our Twitter account. And for that, what we will do, so think from a scratch scenario that you are posting on your Twitter account, and it will post on a specific time. Okay, so for that we need to attach one schedule. So on the left hand side in the search block option, just search for this schedule and just select it. Okay, so this is your schedule, and here what you will do that click on this configure schedule, and the frequency daily or hourly or weekly, whatever you can select, you want to do that, you can select that. Okay, and time of the day, so let's say this 12 a.m. Okay, just for the video select it. Now click on the save changes, and here you see that currently it got configured and it is scheduled. Okay, now what you want to post? So for that you need one agent, right? So just select this agent, and this agent got connected here. Okay, and now here you have to give the system prompt. What system prompt? That what this agent will do, that system prompt you have to give. So let me copy this system prompt from my case. So just paste it here. As I am building this Twitter content creator, and so that's why I am using this kind of system prompt, that you are a social media content creator. But if you are building any other kind of AI agent, then in that case you can give any other system prompt. Now this is the user prompt. User prompt means that you can write in this way, that create a fresh engaging Twitter post on this topic, so that it drives interest for the people and it can be engagement. Okay, so just paste it here. This is the user prompt, this is the system prompt. Now here in this case you have to give the model name. So you can select this GPT-4o, or if you scroll down below there you will find this open router also. I have selected this this DeepSeek from the open router because it is currently freely available to use. Now here give your API key, whatever the API key you have for your open router. So for that go to this open router settings, and there you will find this kind of interface, and click on this create API key, give any name here, click on this create, you will get one API key. So just put that API key here in this section. Now your this section is completed, this agent section is completed. Now we will post this onto the Twitter account. So for that we need to integrate the X. So on the left hand side click on the search block. So here you will find this X. Now click on this X, and here you will find this X. Okay, now one thing you have to remember, that as you are posting your post from an agent to the Twitter, so that's why you need to verify your Twitter account, or you can say that you need to connect your Twitter account to this sim.ai. So for that, here you will find that in this X account section, when you will click on the select X account, it will share that connect your X account. So when you click on that, you will find this kind of things, that authorize app. So please authorize your Twitter account to this sim.ai to access it. Now select that account, and here in this tweet text, what you can do, that as you are posting one dynamic content, so for that you have already written one user prompt on a specific topic. So that's why press the angle bracket, and here you will find some option. Now click on this content, because you are about to go post to you are about to post because you will post one content in the Twitter. So now your setup is completed. Now after this setup, if you click on this run button, it will run that automatically, and it will post that also in your Twitter account. See that I have just clicked on this run button, and now if I go to my Twitter and if I just refresh it, and here you will see that, yes, here you see that 8 seconds ago it posted this transform your selfies with this green glow. And if I show you again also, here you see that in my case also this Jane glow, I think, okay, Jane glow, this was the product on this topic it has posted. I didn't do anything with the Twitter account. Okay, I just click on this run button and it automatically posted all of these things for you. Okay, and also here you see that it automatically attached these hashtags also, that is currently popular in this Twitter. Okay, so you don't have to manually anything, you just change this topic. So currently it is Jane glow, and tomorrow if you want to post on a different topic, then in that case just change the topic here, and it will do that automatically. So I hope that this detailed video explanation with setup it will be helpful for you, and you found also helpful. If you found helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, and don't forget to watch the other videos also.